Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Environmental rights activists in the Niger Delta have again renewed their call for sincere and collaborative action against illegal oil refining in the Niger Delta. While observing that the government has not been consistent with the fight against artisanal crude oil refining, they noted that the prevalence of the Hazardous Act remains a major challenge, not just to the Niger Delta environment and the health of the people, but as well as Nigeria's economy.
Recently, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) uncovered 10 illegal oil bunkering sites in a Che local government area of Rivers State. Also, artisanal refining in Emowa local government area continues to be on the increase. The council chairman, Honorable Chidi Lloyd, told Inside the Niger Delta that in spite of all efforts in the past to stop the menace, the perpetrators have advanced to the peak of their acts.
The illegal refining of crude is still going on, now at the highest level. So now they have come out more vicious. They have come with renewed vigor. And all of these persons who are the kingpins of this nefarious activity are known by the security agencies.
While the black particulates, which were indicators of artisanal refining activities, have significantly reduced, environmental experts say the prevalence of illegal refinings is still a source of concern in the Niger Delta. They also gave insight on the reduced visibility of the suits.
They are now carrying out the activity in very confined spaces that they call ovens. So that's what they are using now. And that will reduce the quantity of emissions that they normally generate. But that is not to say that the quality of emissions from their technology has improved. No.
Crude oil, domiciled in the Niger Delta, remains the mainstay of Nigeria's economy. Hence, oil theft has continued to take its toll on the nation's foreign exchange earnings. Environmental rights activist Barrister Mike Arikpo advocates the introduction of technology for the surveillance and regulation of crude oil facilities across the country.
We need to ensure that there is sufficient technology that gives us the enablement to actually identify where a pipeline has been breached.
Inside the Niger Delta,